Welcome back to Diecast Speedway, the channel where we bring scale collectibles to life. Today we've got a dirt-crushing monster straight out of Monster Jam, the Earth Shaker in 124 scale by Spin Master. Check out the packaging. Right on the front, you've got the bold Monster Jam logo, the Earth Shaker name, and a little note reminding us this is rocking working suspension and authentic detailing. And on the back, you get an awesome look at the Earth Shaker artwork along with some of its Monster Jam rivals, Gravedigger, Dragon, and Soldier Fortune. Real trucks, real action, Monster Jam style. So here it is. The Earth Shaker. Just look at that yellow and brown dirt splatter design. This truck's got a construction dump truck theme, and even the bed in the back looks like it's packed with dirt. The side has that cracked earth design with the bold Earth Shaker logo, and check out those little sponsor logos on the chassis. K&N, Optima, Holley, and more. They didn't skip any details. And those massive BKT tires are molded in a dirt brown color, perfect for this theme, and they've got great tread detail. The suspension is fully functional, so you can push this beast down and it bounces right back, just like the real thing. On the sides, you've got silver-painted exhaust headers sticking out, giving it that raw Monster Jam power look. The whole chassis is done in tan to match the dirt theme, which really makes Earthshaker stand out. From the rear, you can see the MonsterJam.com tag and that dirt load detail sitting in the truck bed. It's one of the coolest theme-based monster trucks in the lineup, so there you have it. The Monster Jam Earthshaker in 124 scale, a tough, dirt-themed truck with real suspension, sponsor details, and killer styling. Perfect for any Monster Jam or diecast collection. But stay tuned for next time we'll be showing this Lucas Stabilizer monster truck from the Monster Jam series, so make sure you don't miss it. Now if you've enjoyed this video, make sure to go and check out our other crushing videos right here on Diecast Speedway, where we do all the unboxing so that you don't have to open yours. So until next time, keep on diecasting and God bless.